Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make low content books for Amazon KDP with Designrr. So you can go ahead and click here to create a new ebook, right? Select ebook and format. You want to go ahead and select Kindle, right? Or EPUB here. But you can go ahead and change this later. For now, I can choose PDF. You can always change this later. Now come here and I like to select for a baseline. You can use an existing document. You can use Word Genie, of course. We can write from scratch. I'll go ahead and upload a file. Okay. I'll upload a Word doc. So you can drag and drop your file or you can browse through it. So I have one right here. As you can see, I'll go ahead and drag and drop this one. And then this will start processing. Come here, press on next. And you can change the theme if you would so like. Okay. Now it's suggesting some themes for me. I'll go ahead and click on start. So we will wait for Designrr to go ahead and process this. And now if you want, you can go ahead and choose a template if you would like so. Right, they have a bunch of different templates right here. Let's do Kindle EPUB. We'll use this one. Okay. And now this will open up and start initializing. So it's currently loading up and I'll show you the different things you can go ahead and do here, right? Okay, so the whole thing has loaded up. Right, so you can generate these text from any different option. Now you can also add images, AdWorks, shapes, can just come and drag and drop. It's really easy and simple. Whatever you want, you can go ahead and edit as well, right? For example, if I want to edit this text, change the color, you can come here. It's basically like a Word document, right? And then once you are done and you're happy, you can come here, click on Publish, and then choose Kindle EPUB Export, and then go ahead and export it. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.